I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my tube here. I appreciate you being here. I worked at IRS for a long number of years, and I've been in practice and doing this for 5 decades. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. Whatever I tell you is pretty much gold here. If anyone tells you anything else, they're pretty much lying to you. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. I've been on all the major news stations. Just check me out on my website at 777irs.com. So let's pretend now you're filing your tax return and you owe tax this year. How long does it take IRS to catch up with you this year if you owe tax? Very simple. It's the same every year. If you go ahead and file your tax return, usually about 3 weeks later, depending on your e-file or paper file, it makes a big difference. IRS will send you a series of letters, and depending on that letter stream, it kind of lets you know where you are in the collection process. So IRS will send you a couple LT notices and a CP 501, CP 503, and when it gets CP 504, which is probably 3 or 4 months later at least. So now you have about 3 or 4 months. The notices are going to get rougher. They're going to file a lien, a levy, contact your neighbors. They can do whatever they want. Generally, you have somewhere in the neighborhood around 5 months from the time you file till IRS starts sending you really rough languages. And during that time, you need to think of an exit strategy to go ahead and resolve your IRS debt. What's an exit strategy? Well, know this, that IRS is going to look at unless you're going to go online and make a payment agreement. If you're not going to do that, IRS is going to take a financial statement on you. If it's at the service center, a 433F. If it's at the a local level, it's a 433A with a revenue officer. At that point in time, they will evaluate that, and based on your financial statement and your documentation, they'll either put you into a currently non-collectible payment agreement or file for an offer and compromise to settle your tax debt. So generally, just so you know, IRS is going to take at least 4 to 5 months to get to you, but they will. When you get the 504 notice, the CP 504, it's time either to pick up the phone and call IRS yourself, but know what is waiting for you on the other side, or to hire somebody. So you're welcome to hire us. We've been doing this a long time. I do thank everyone for the referrals they've given me. I really appreciate it. So I do one other thing. If you give me a subscription, I'd really appreciate it because it lets YouTube know I'm giving you good information. Thank you so much.